Tunisian double crochet can be worked over any number of stitches, so you want to chain for your desired length. On the first row, we're going to work into the third chain from our hook. So counting back 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain from your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And now in each chain across, we're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And repeat that across all of the chains for your first row. Okay, so we have the first row picked up, and now for the return, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and then repeat yarn over, pull through 2 loops across the entire row. And that's what the end of the first row of Tunisian double crochet should look like. Row 2 begins with a chain 2. We're going to skip this first elongated stitch, and we're going to work into the next elongated stitch with a yarn over, insert your hook in that elongated stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And we'll repeat that across the row. Yarn over, insert your hook in the elongated stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And repeat that all the way across. We now have all of our stitches picked up for row 2. The return for row 2 is identical to the return for row 1. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop on our hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops on our hook. And you want to repeat yarn over, pull through 2 loops across the entire row. Repeat row 2 for your desired length of Tunisian double crochet. Hi, thank you for watching this video. It's part of a huge library on my website that's dedicated to learning how to crochet. In this library you will find stitch definitions, photo tutorials, all sorts of techniques, as well as video tutorials. Please follow the link below to find it at KristinOmdahl.com.